Welcome back. Okay, today we're going to skip reading the full manual and jump straight into what really matters in the Unity Access 7.14.0.21 release notes. These dropped August 21, 2025. If you need the quick version on the important security and performance updates, well, this is your deep dive.
That's exactly right. We're here to synthesize things, pinpoint the upgrades that give you the biggest bang for your buck, where does it get faster, smarter, more secure? That's what we need to know.
Right.
Just quickly note the prerequisites. You'll need vSphere 6.5 or higher, or Windows Server v8009 for Hyper-V.
Got it. Okay, so let's unpack the new stuff first. What's the big headliner feature?
Definitely the Microsoft Entra ID single sign-on
Yeah.
SSO, using OpenID Connect or OIDC.
Oh, OIDC. Standard stuff now.
Exactly. It means seamless, secure access using your normal company login. Gets rid of all those extra passwords. Big security plus.
Okay, yeah. Eliminating password sprawl is always good. But, SSO, is the setup a headache for a big company, or is it actually smooth?
Well, the design is for it to be seamless after you get it configured initially.
Okay.
The key is it pushes identity management back to your main corporate directory. That really tightens up your security posture overall.
Makes sense. Security first.
And if security is the anchor, then seed's the lifeline, right? Which takes us to workflow improvements.
Yes, speaking of workflow, if SSO cleans up the login, this new side panel in Scenes seems like it cleans up the daily grind. Operators can see door events in real time without clicking away from their main view. That sounds pretty useful.
That's a huge time saver, especially in busy control rooms. And building on that efficiency idea, there's the improved alarm management.
Oh yeah, what's improved?
You can now sort and group alarms much more easily. So instead of tackling them one by one, you can see a cluster of related events, then drill down. Faster investigation during, critical moment.
Right, group them, then investigate.
Yeah.
Smart. And for the techs out in the field, or just troubleshooting, they added a built-in support tool.
Yep. Basically a ping utility right inside the application.
Simple, but probably saves a lot of hassle. Check network connectivity to an IP or hostname without needing other tools.
Exactly. Quick diagnosis, saves time, saves support calls.
Okay, so good stuff on the new feature front. Let's talk fixes. Anything major jump out?
Yes, and this connects right back to that big SSO feature we mentioned.
Well,
They fixed a really critical issue where previously, if you ran the Entra ID collaboration sync, it can wipe out roles you'd manually assigned to users.
ouch. Yeah, that would make the new SSO feature pretty useless if rules kept breaking.
Precisely. So they fixed the lock and the key in the same update, essentially. Very important fix.
Thank goodness. Okay, what about just daily usability, slowdowns, interface annoyances?
Definitely some key improvements there.
Yeah.
Two big ones people will notice. First, the badge designer page. It used to get really slow if you had a ton of identities in the system. That's fixed.
Oh, that's a relief.
And second, similar issue on the identity search page. It could lag quite a bit, especially for operators logging in remotely. Fixed now, too.
Nice. So faster interface across the board for common tasks. Operators will appreciate that immediately.
For sure. And a couple of accuracy fixes, too. One was the UI not correctly showing the priority lock no access
Right.
status for a door sometimes.
You need the status display to be right. Always.
Absolutely. Operator trust depends on it.
Hmm.
And they also tidied up an issue with Schlage Wi-Fi doors. Prevented the system from creating duplicate panel or door entries if you tried to sync a door that was already assigned somewhere else. Cleaner system data.
Okay, so stepping back a bit,
Right.
this 7.14 release, it's not just minor tweaks. It's enhanced security with SSO, real workflow speedups like that side panel, and some crucial fixes for performance and accuracy.
Exactly. It feels like a focused update. And, zooming out even further, there's something else under the hood worth mentioning. The release notes detail a lot of firmware updates for the Mercury security controllers, the LP series, EP series, migration packages. Quite extensive.
So foundational work on the hardware interface side.
Yeah, it suggests a pretty significant effort to stabilize and synchronize things at that core hardware level.
Interesting. So, okay, what does all this foundational work mean for you, the listener, planning your next steps or upgrades?
Well, considering how much effort clearly went into these controller firmware updates, stabilizing that hardware backbone,
Yeah.
kind of makes you wonder, right? The provocative question is, what new capabilities or maybe bigger integrations does this deep level of hardware stability unlock? What could be coming in the next major release because of this groundwork?